So today we're going to be showing secret places in Budok.
You know what? What, man? Yeah. We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe. Yeah. Yeah, that's true.
So now we are at one of the secret place in Secret River. It's pretty spooky. It's really deep inside the woods. Yeah.
You know what? What, man? I step on stage, break a leg and a ligament.
So this is the waterfall. It's really loud. There's a pretty good view here. You can see. And also the other side is getting calm.
Black shit.
So the water gets calmer here and gets to the river. Pretty long one. So this is the end of the waterfall. So when the waterfall goes, it flows down here. You can see the rocks. It's really cool type of rock. And here there's holes all over the place. So we need to be careful with our steps. And then we're going to keep going to the river. So this is the waterfall, and above us you can see there's some rice fields. Pretty good view. You can, yeah. And then you can see next to the soccer field there's rice fields. It's a good rice field, pretty much. It's a big clear rice field, you can see there. So this is the soccer field. This is a public soccer field. It's for everybody in Budok here. Schools can use it, the public people, schools, they can come over to play soccer. These are the guards of the temple. They protect from thieves or other people that will think that is negative. So this is the cockfight ring. This is close to the Pura Dalam, like the guards also the place. This is the cockfight ring. They go, and then they have knife on their foot, so they can stab the chickens. So there's fence because so the chicken doesn't get up from the ring and hurt the other people because they got knife on their left or right leg. I'm not sure. They only have one knife, and then if they win, they get money. Normally 5 million of money. So this is the start. Normally they have one chicken under here and one chicken here, or normally one chicken there and one chicken here. And then this will be sometimes the fight place, and then their coach that teach them will be standing on this brick behind it, and then the other coach will stand here. They have a broom to clean the place. Normally blood's everywhere. You can see this string is from the knife, so they tie it on their leg with this string with the knife on it so they can stab the thing, with fences around so they don't get hurt. Normally the people will sit on here, sit here, that, then watch the cockfight. Normally they get a lot of money from this. This will be the watcher who wins or not.
You know what?
What, man?
I step on stage, break a leg and a ligament. I step on stage, break a leg and a ligament. You know what?
What, man?
Yeah, we stand out like bird shit on a black shoe. Yeah, yeah, that's true. That's true. That's true. That's true.